Welcome to our brand new series, Luxury for Less. We are taking you on a tour of this brand new coastal luxe style home. To get that coastal look, we've used James Hardie cladding and we've kept it really simple, painting the exterior only one colour, Taubman's Misty Lake. We chose a colour with green undertones to tie in with the surrounding bushlands, and for contrast we've gone with white window trims, white windows and our crisp white Haven feature front door. The feature front door adds character to this new build, and upgrading your front door is one of the most cost-effective ways to add wow factor to your facade. Now you may be wondering why we have positioned the garage central to the home. This is because to my left is the main house and to my right is an attached granny flat. Now if you want to see a little bit more inside, stay tuned and we'll have a sneak peek coming in the following weeks. Now with all these light tones on the facade, for contrast we've gone with this dark charcoal tile on the porch. They're not only easy to clean, but they also have a great slip rating. As we head on inside, you'll see that we've used rice paper glass on the front door. Now we've added this for privacy as we will walk straight into the front living room. On the ground floor we have our lounge room, laundry mudroom, guest bedroom, powder room and our open plan kitchen, dining, living that open onto the alfresco and the backyard. Upstairs is our rumpus room, main bathroom, master bedroom with ensuite and the remaining 3 bedrooms. The granny flat consists of a family kitchen room, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, laundry and a generous rear yard. This was the perfect location to include our mudroom linen cupboard as we're just about to head into the laundry. Everything in the laundry is from our builder's standard range. We only upgraded on 2 items, which are our tiled splashback and our gold handles to add that punch of wow and luxury. These matte white tiles have a handmade textural look and feel to them, which adds some character into a brand new build, but they weren't too expensive because we only need a really small amount. We've stuck with laminate cabinetry and bench top, and we have plenty of room for all of the essentials. Now we've gone with this marble look laminate top as it is a great option when you're on a tight budget. Now the key to success when working on a tight budget is to make sure all your colours and materials work well together, and that is when a flat lay becomes very important. Behind this door is the underside of the staircase. Now we never want to miss an opportunity to add in extra storage, and this is the perfect place to store all your bulky or seasonal items like your Christmas tree and your luggage. Now the large window here in the stairwell is not so much about capturing views, rather it's there to let natural light into the upstairs and the downstairs level of the home. The upstairs bathroom is opposite all of the bedrooms. Let's take a look inside. For this vanity, we have used classic oak laminate, which gives us that coastal look in this all-white bathroom. Hot tip, you do not need to spend big bucks on fancy tiles for every single wall. Just choose one wall which has the maximum impact. In this bathroom, our best wall for our feature tiles is this one here behind our vanity and our mirror. And for all the remaining walls, we've used simple matte white tiles, which is something we have done in many of our past projects. To add that little bit of luxury, we have upgraded to gold tapware and accessories, statement handles on our cabinetry, and London grey Caesar stone bench top. This is a great way to get that marble look without the price tag.
With every project that we tackle, we always have a budget that we have to work within. And that means being strategic on where we spend and where we save. We have made a saving in this bathroom in order for us to include these beautiful sheer curtains.